I should have just worn the same outfit and been like that much of a G and been like, you know what, I'm gonna wear the same thing. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video is day 3 of March 2018 box week. Really quick, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, hi, I'm Drew. Welcome here to someone who's really loud and kind of a little bit crazy, but is what it is. If you want to be a part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because you're catching us on day 3 of box week. Box week is the best week every single month on my YouTube channel. It is the one week that me and my YouTube subscribers spend every single day together for 7 consecutive days. It is like seriously the best week on my channel. It's a lot of fun. We come back and forth. We make friends on Just Like Drew crew. So join us, join our crew, join our forever family. Also, another exciting thing is we have been putting together since last month a giveaway box on my YouTube channel. Basically, I'm taking items I'm giving in my subscription boxes and I'm filling up this box with them. Instead of keeping them, I'm giving them away to one lucky on my YouTube channel list. So if you want to win this box, because it's seriously getting full, you need to watch box week and you're gonna see all the stuff that's going inside. You need to be subscribed. Okay, so tonight what are we opening on my YouTube channel? We are opening for day 3. We are opening a box that has been pretty good on my channel. It's been like kind of iffy the last couple months. Like either we get like a killer month or we get like a month, and so a lot of people have been on the fence about whether or not to even subscribe to this box because it is so inconsistent with what it gives out. But tonight, what are we opening? We are opening the Macy's beauty box. Macy's started their own beauty box the end of last summer in 2017. It's $15 per month. I got my man Mr. John Wayne here and I'm just gonna pop this open. So as I'm opening this, if you're watching this video tonight and you've been with us every day for box week and you're like, girl, why does it feel like your eyeshadow is exactly the same for the first 3 days? Because it is. I'm gonna be real with you. I'm filming more than one box in a day. I don't know why I'm changing my clothes. I should have just worn the same outfit and been like that much of a G and been like, you know what, I'm gonna wear the same thing. But I have a busy week ahead of me, so I had to film a couple days at once. So yeah, whatever. All right, let's get into this. All right, the first thing we have on the top, it says Eat, Sleep, Glam. I'm trying not to look because it looks like they're showing what's already in the box. Every single month, Macy's actually gives you a coupon inside. This month, it is $10 off. And so this is 10 off a $10 beauty purchase. So this means anything that is beauty related, you get $10 off at Macy's. I told you guys some of my personal Macy's life hacks, like you can go online and buy Tony Moly face masks. You can buy enough to equal like $5 or $10, and everything beauty related on Macy's always ships free. It's seriously, honestly, like the most genius thing I figured out. So that's my little Macy's reward life hack. So the thing is, you got a $10 back. A lot of times it's $5. The box is $15. So that kind of pays for the box. The box was basically $5 now for all the samples you're getting. All right, this month's bag is, it says Eat, Sleep, Glow. It's really cute. I will say every single month the Macy's bags are just like adorable, cute beyond belief. Also, this feels really full. I'm actually getting really good feelings now about the Macy's bag because the last couple months it's been a little like, so I'm excited to see what we have going on here. All right, so I'm grabbing out the stuff. They always have it wrapped in pink tissue paper, which always makes me very happy because I love the color pink. I'm unwrapping it, trying to get to it. All right, so the first item that we have is Clarins Extra Firming Wrinkle Control Firming Day Cream. I have lots of creams, you guys know that, so I'm actually going to put this right in the giveaway box, but I'm going to put that in at the end so I can recap this box for you all. All right, the next item we have is SK2 Facial Treatment Essence. All right, this is a skin balancing essence. It looks like it's kind of like a toner style item. You know what? I actually just bought a brand new toner, so I'm gonna put this in the giveaway box as well. A nice sample of SK2. Next we have MAC Strobe Cream. Ooh, you guys, I love me some MAC Strobe Cream. I actually want to keep this, but I'm also gonna give this away. So far, I've given away everything in this box right now. I'm in a giving mood. The reason I'm actually going to give this away, this is one of my favorite MAC products because this is something that I like to do on a no makeup day. You guys have always like asking me, you know, different things about my skincare or my hair care or my makeup care routine. And this is something that I always think is like a staple for your makeup routine because the reason it's so awesome is like especially in the summertime when it's warm and you're like, I want to put on a full face of makeup foundation. You put on MAC Strobe Cream with a little bit of like a tinted highlighter drop in there and it gives you like a nice complexion glowy and it's amazing. So I'm giving that away to somebody. I want to keep it, but it is so awesome. I feel like somebody needs to have it. All right, the next item we have is a fragrance, Good Good Girl by Carolina Herrera. And I am going to test this out. I actually remember this fragrance, they were really doing a big push for this around the holidays this last year. I don't remember if I actually smelled it or not, so let's just see. If you don't know me, you should know I am not a fragrance person. I really am picky. I don't know how I feel about it. I'm going to have to smell it later again. And just so you know, I've said I'm not giving away any fragrances in the giveaway box. I tried to mail perfume like once in my life. And I say once because it was traumatizing. To try to put perfume in the mail, it's not a good thing. They don't let it happen. All right, next item we have is Lancome Genifique Concentrate Youth Activating Concentrate. All right. This is something to put PM under your regular skincare routine. All right, you know what? I'm actually going to keep this and try this because this is something that actually goes with your regular skincare routine to kind of just take it up a level, and it's Lancome. So I'm going to try this. So I'm keeping something in the box. I can't believe it. I've like given everything else away. All right, and finally we have Estee Lauder Resilience Lift Night Lifting Firming Face and Neck Cream from Estee Lauder. I'm actually going to put that in the giveaway box too. So I kept like the perfume fragrance, which now it's getting stronger. I'm not a fan of it. I don't like this at all. And the Lancome Genifique under your regular makeup care routine, and I'll keep the bag. So I'm keeping two things. One of them I'm not happy to keep because it doesn't smell really great. And I'm giving away actually 4 of the items that I got in this box. So that is the MAC Strobe Cream, which is right there, which is one of my favorite MAC products of all time. The Estee Lauder Resilient Night Lift Cream, the Clarins Extra Firming with SPF 15 Wrinkle Control Firming Day Cream, and the SK2 Facial Treatment Essence, which is more like a toner item. All this is going into the giveaway box, you guys. I really think this month is gonna get full. It's actually heavy. It is getting heavy. Look at this box. Seriously, yeah, with BoxyCharm, we gave away a full-size blush, 3 under-eye gel packs, which I actually really still wish I kind of would have kept because they look so amazing, as well as eyeshadow brushes. You guys, this giveaway box is becoming insane. Like, I'm actually like about it because it looks really, 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 really good. All right, so that is all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Justlikedrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, make sure you click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we are literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow, hopefully with a new makeup look because we've been like, this look is tired. It's been 3 days of the same eyeshadow, but you know what? We're gonna live with that. All right, talk to you guys so stinking soon. Love you. Bye. Goodbye. Bye. Oh, come out. It won't come out the box. Give me my mascara, man. Don't play game. Listen, don't play games. I can't even get my mascara out the box right now. This is my life. Welcome to my YouTube channel. All right, we're gonna try the other end.